This is a screencast of the Alfredo Scotto method for setting up an Eclipse project with built-in Tomcat and SVN integration. So the first step is to create the workspace, fire up Eclipse, define our workspace, we'll call it test project. First thing we would need to do is to disable the auto build. Then we update the workspace properties. And define the Java SDK. Java install JREs. For this case we want 1.5, so browse to the installation directory. Okay. Make sure we select it. Next we need to define the Tomcat runtime. Server, installed runtimes, add. Select Apache Tomcat 5.5 in this case. Next, browse to the installation directory again. Okay. Finish. And then customize our SVN plugin. Select unversioned resources on commit. Choose console. Show SVN console automatically when command is run. And OK. Next we want to create the project. So let's open our navigator view. New dynamic web project. Next, let's call it test project for the project name. Next, make sure this is all set. Next, context root in this case is going to be /finish. We don't need the J2E perspective. Now we want to set some project properties. Specifically the Java build path. Browse. In this case we want ours to be in WebINF. Classes. Now we need to create the server. Debug perspective, servers, new server. Apache Tomcat 5.5, localhost is fine. Next, to add this project and finish. Okay. Now we just need to go back to our project and make sure our SVN configuration is defined. So team, actually, this is done through the SVN repository exploring view. New repository location, in this case it's HTTP. digitas.com/pg fabric care. Finish. Back to our Java perspective, right click on the project. Basically what we're going to do now is share the project. So team, share project, select SVN. Next, use existing repository location. Next, now we want to use a specified folder name. Let's browse to it. In this case, for example, this will be Downey branches, and we'll say we'll use the Concerto branch. Click OK, and then we want to, for our new folder, we want to make sure that we use the project name. Next, and what we'll do here is commit all the project files into SVN. Default comment is fine. Click Finish. OK. All the files are getting committed up, and that is how you create the project.